Running is a simple yet profoundly rewarding form of physical activity that holds the potential to transform both body and mind. Despite its accessibility, many find it challenging to establish a regular running routine. However, the benefits of committing to daily running are numerous and far-reaching. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into the extensive changes that occur within the body when you make running a part of your daily life. First and foremost, running has a remarkable impact on mental health. Numerous studies have shown that just 30 minutes of running can significantly improve mood, particularly in individuals dealing with depressive disorders. What's fascinating is that this mood-enhancing effect isn't contingent on speed. Even running at a walking pace can trigger the release of endorphins, often referred to as the runner's high. With prolonged running, the production of endorphins increases, leading to a sustained feeling of uplift. Caloric expenditure is another significant benefit of running. A moderate-paced run can burn an impressive number of calories, making it an efficient way to manage weight. For instance, a 70-kilogram runner can burn up to 20 calories per minute, totaling 366 calories in just 30 minutes. Moreover, running on varied terrain or against resistance further amplifies calorie burn, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed excess weight. Contrary to popular belief, running is not detrimental to knee health. In fact, it can strengthen the knees and surrounding structures. Studies have consistently shown that runners are less likely to suffer from knee pain compared to non-runners. This is attributed to the impact of running, which helps maintain a healthy body mass index, strengthens leg muscles, and increases bone density. Each foot strike during running places stress on muscles, tendons, and ligaments, prompting adaptation and strengthening. Cardiovascular health is significantly improved through regular running, even in short durations. Just 10 minutes of slow jogging can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Aerobic exercise, such as running, boosts heart health by increasing heart rate and improving circulation. Furthermore, running has been linked to enhanced brain function, with aerobic activities proven to improve memory and cognitive abilities. Quality sleep is another benefit of regular running. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in moderate-paced runs for at least 30 minutes, 5 times a week, experience better sleep quality and overall mental well-being. Additionally, the immune system is bolstered by consistent aerobic exercise, reducing the risk of various diseases, including certain forms of cancer. The physical benefits of running extend beyond weight management and cardiovascular health. Running engages the body's largest muscles, particularly those in the lower body, including the hips, calves, and buttocks. Additionally, the abdominal and back muscles are activated to stabilize the body during running, resulting in a full-body workout that promotes strength and endurance. To ensure safe and effective running, it's essential to follow certain guidelines. Investing in proper running shoes is crucial to prevent injury, as regular shoes are not designed for the specific demands of running. Gradually increasing running intensity and incorporating cross-training activities, such as swimming or cycling, can prevent overuse injuries and promote overall fitness. Additionally, performing exercises that target different muscle groups, warming up before running and stretching afterward, are vital components of a safe running routine. Seeking guidance from a coach can also help identify and correct technique errors, reducing the risk of injury. One common question among novice runners is whether it's better to run outdoors or on a treadmill. While outdoor running offers a sense of freedom and connection with nature, treadmill running provides a controlled environment, especially beneficial in areas with poor air quality or inclement weather. Psychologically, outdoor running may be more enjoyable and conducive to varying speed and terrain. However, factors such as pollution levels and accessibility to safe running routes must be considered. Ultimately, the choice between outdoor and treadmill running depends on individual preferences. In conclusion, running offers a plethora of physical and mental benefits that make it a valuable addition to any lifestyle. Whether you're aiming to improve mood, enhance cardiovascular health, or sculpt your physique, the transformative power of running is undeniable. By embracing a daily running routine and adhering to safety guidelines, you can unlock the full potential of this simple yet profound form of exercise. So, lace up your shoes, hit the pavement or treadmill, and embark on the journey to a healthier, happier you.